Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to delete marketplace listing. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook. Now to delete item, first of all go to marketplace and over here click on this selling. Now you will find all the items you've listed on marketplace. Now to delete any items, first of all click on these three dots and over here you can find here is delete listing. Just click on this and after that click on this delete. And after that you'll find this interface. You can see all the items over here is deleted. So in this way we can delete items on Facebook Marketplace. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.